Ikutan na water park. Tutu. Bibiling ko to na water, guys. Water. Guys, natatakot ako. Natatakot, guys. Nakakabahan ako. Guys, natatakot ako. Gusto bilhin. Natatakot ako eh. Guys, natatakot ako. Natatakot ako, guys. Natatakot. Ate Yasi! Guys. Bibilhin ko na. 65 lang. Guys. Buka. Ih, nakakabahan ako, guys. Sayang man. Hindi ko nabili. Kakak. Barbecue lang ngayon. Tapos ganun nakatagal. Tagal mo. Nasira ulit na.
Bakit? Ah, salamat. Oh. Dito na.
Tagal mo na nga.
Diyan ko yun.
Nakain na ba rin?
Nahulog na yung maliit.
Saan?
Natamaan pa siya.
Saan siya nahulog?
Nandito siya. Natamaan. Peppa Pig Tales. Let's jump in.
Today, Mummy Pig is having a nice, relaxing lie. Happy Mummy's Day!
Thanks. Oh, so many balloons.
Don't worry, they're eco-friendly
Lumabas!
and loud.
Now there's a baby in your tummy. We thought you were going to be even more of a mummy. So today is even more
Mummy's Day!
And here's your cake.
Ooh, cake for breakfast? Maybe just this once. Shall we go downstairs?
If you're sure you're awake.
I am now.
The hallway has been filled with
Oh, even more balloons.
For even more mummies day.
You know, sometimes less is more.
Ooh, what's this coming from the living room?
Oh, a daisy chain.
You have to follow it.
Oh, wow.
It took us ages to make.
I can only imagine.
Here's more cake.
Oh,
We all made the daisy chain together.
That's enough daisies now, George. Sometimes less is more.
It's even more Mummy's Day, so we need even more daisies, George.
oh, cake. Thanks, George. I know I'm eating for two, but... Oh, let me guess. Thought so.
Funny story about this.
More.
Oh, just a little bigger. Whoa, that's enough.
Order confirmed.
Yay! Hooray! Woohoo! Yay! Even more cake, even more Mummy's Day.
Thank you. We can share it with everyone we know. Is that what I think it is?
Happy even more Mummy's Day.
What a lovely, huge card.
Mummy Pig knows that less is more.
One thing is still missing, though.
But there is one more thing she'd like.
A family squish!
Lots of fun every day. With our friends we learn and play. Family and big adventure. Let's shout it's family. Jam, eggs, tomatoes. Ooh, coconut and jelly.
It's Mother's Day, and Peppa and George are making
Yay!
a very special surprise breakfast for Mummy.
Oh, you started Mummy's breakfast without me. What's on the menu, little chefs?
Toast.
Oh,
Everything on toast.
well, let's get cracking.
What?
Oh, watch out for that, Peppa. Well done. A little too much.
Careful, George. We have to make Mummy's breakfast extra special to show how much we love her.
That's right.
Yay!
Oh,
What? Toast!
Whoa, 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 whoa. Ta-da!
Yay! It's time for jam, George. Mummy loves jam on toast.
George loves jam on toast too.
Oh,
Mummy Pig is very excited for her lovely breakfast in bed.
oh.
But the breakfast is smelling a little burnt.
The toast, Daddy, the toast.
1 second, Peppa. Maybe this toast can go on the hot.
Good idea. Quick, Mummy Pig will wake up soon. George!
George loves jam so much he has eaten all of the jammy toast.
Lucky there's lots of other things. Egg and beans,
Tomatoes and cucumber.
cheese and mustard,
Jelly.
a whole coconut.
Yeah! Yay!
Maybe I should check on them. Oh,
1,
2.
3.
Happy Mother's Day!
Oh, what a surprise!
We made everything on toast. Everything except jam.
Mummy Pig loves her everything on toast Mother's Day breakfast, even without the jam. Today, Mummy Pig has a cold,
Bless you.
Thank you.
so Peppa, George, and Daddy Pig are all looking after her.
Mummy, Dr. Daddy says that we need to take your temperature with this thermometer.
Okay, nurse. But don't get too close. I don't want you catching a cold as well.
Don't worry, I never get ill. Here you are.
Thank you, Daddy Pig.
Mummy Pig's temperature is high, which means she isn't very well.
Oh no, George. You've got Mummy's cold.
Well, I prescribe you a day in bed too.
Don't worry, George. We'll look after you. Come on, Dr. Daddy.
Coming, Nurse Pepper.
Peppa and Daddy spend the whole day looking after Mummy Pig and George. They keep them cool. They make them lunch.
Whoa.
And they make sure they have lots and lots of tissues.
Don't get too close, Daddy, or you'll catch a cold too.
Oh no! But how will I ever get the tissues all the way to the bed?
We can use the tissue train instead. Choo-choo.
So, are the patients feeling all better then? I'll take that as a no.
Don't worry, I've got just the right medicine for George. I re-skype you. One big dinosaur cuddle. Nurse Pepper's order. Achoo! Uh-oh.
Oh dear. Now Peppa has caught the cold as well.
I can't get sick. I'm the dust. The dust.
Dust? What's a dust?
It's okay, Peppa. Even nurses get sick sometimes.
Unlike daddy pigs, we never get sick.
Achoo!
Why don't you all get nice and cozy and watch a film? You know, it's a good thing I never get ill. Otherwise, there'd be no one to look after. Achoo!